2 straight years and I'm done. I'm not listening to this bad roommate anymore. And if I can do anything to stop my kids having to fall into these traps, one day Alfie will also get that too.
I love you.
I love you too, darling. I want to teach you a phrase that I want you to know in case you have a brain like Daddy's when you get older that sometimes gets down or confused or doesn't know how to do things. Life can get overwhelming, and if you struggle, I want you to know this little mantra I tell myself.